Hello everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila and I'm an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do calculated columns using Power Query. So, transformation is part of the things that is important when working with Power BI. Whenever you want to build a report, it's nice to have a nice transformation done, to have the data well prepared and be able to start working with it. So a couple of transformations you can do. So one of it is adding an additional column that is not within your system before into your system. So how do you do this? There are a lot of ways you can do this. So we are going to look at a couple of ways. So for instance, I have a date column here, yeah, which is as my month, my day, and my year. So let's say I need another column that has the year, another column that has the month, another column that has the day. So how do I go about it? Yeah. There are a couple of ways here. So the first thing way I would be doing this is with using UI without no coding. So I'm just going to come to the date column, right click on it, then come to transform, then I can click on year, then I'm just going to click on year. So it could be start of year, end of year. So I'm going to click on year. And what that does for me is to create another column called year. So that should okay. So you see it's now turning that date to year, but I'm not going to do this. So I'm going to remove it. That's one. Duplicate the column. Yeah, so I can use this duplicated column to create the year. Then I'm now going to right click on it, go to transform, click on year and then click on year. Then I have my year. Then I can now change this name and put it as year. Another thing I can do is come here, duplicate this again and then click on it, go to transform, go to month because we want month and I want name of month. So I'm just going to click on name of month and it's going to turn this for me January, June, and everything is fine. I'm going to change this to month name, and I can duplicate this again. And for the last duplication here, I right click on it, go to transform, then go to day, and I can do day, day of week, day of year, start of day, any kind of day I want. But for this case, I just want the day, so I'm just going to click on day, and it's going to give me that day. Then I can rename it as say day number. This is awesome, yeah. With just a click of buttons, I can do this. Another thing I can do is, for instance, I have the unit sold here and I have my sell price here. So let's say I want to calculate my total sales. So my total sales price will now be unit sold multiplied by sales price. So I can do a calculated column from there. So how do I need to do? Come to add column here and then come to custom column here because I'm creating a custom column. So I'm going to click on custom column. And it brings this for me. The first thing here is the new column name. So I'm going to change that to total sales. And then the next thing for me is to write the formula that I want to use. So I'm not going to write much of a formula. I'm just going to click on this unit sold because it's unit sold that times sales price and click on insert, and I'm going to do asterisk, which is the same thing as multiply, and then click on sales price and then insert. So once my formula is right, check this thing downward, it will tell me there is no syntax error, then my formula is right. Then I can click on OK and I have my answer here, which is like this. To finish up with this, I can easily, since I know this is always going to be a number, then I can come and change my data type here and then change it to decimal number because it could be decimal. I don't want to use fixed decimal, or fixed decimal. Since we are talking about money here, it can be fixed decimal. So I can click on fixed decimal and it's just going to fix it to two decimal places for me. and I have my calculated column here. So this is how to use calculated column within the Power BI queries to create extra columns that are not in existence within your reports within your the data you are bringing in from the source. So thank you for watching, and if you like to learn more on analytics, Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to drop your comment. Bye for now.